Hello, this is my presentation on medical care injury and prevention. Preventable medical injuries and deaths are still a major issue in our developed country today. I believe that our government and the leaders who run this country must acknowledge how our current healthcare system is failing our citizens. I truly believe that only the rich and privileged benefit from this healthcare system, while the low-income citizens and citizens of color are left to financially suffer and face discrimination when trying to receive medical care. According to the CDC, elderly people and Black men are those who are affected by this issue the most. The Affordable Care Act was made to try to make medical care more affordable for citizens who desperately needed it, and although subsidies offer financial aid, Medicaid became more inclusive and dependents were able to stay on their parents' plan for an extended period of time. Medical care costs did not decrease for everyone. I do believe this plan helped for some people, but definitely not for everyone. Currently, I believe there are small ways we can decrease medical injuries and deaths in our country. These methods do not fix the bigger issue at hand, but I still believe they can make a positive difference. So first off, management in healthcare facilities need to do their best to ensure that all of their units are fully staffed. That way, medical workers do not feel overwhelmed by their job and can provide the best medical care for their patients. In addition to that, both benefits and pay need to increase for healthcare workers. Next, healthcare facilities should ensure that their employees are fully trained in their position. Many facilities try to rush the training process for healthcare workers since we are always in dire need for them. However, this is really dangerous since the patient's life can be at serious risk if they are cared by someone who is not prepared. And administration should make sure their employees are not discriminatory towards any of their patients. This should be a no-brainer, but some people today are still ignorant or have certain feelings towards a group of people. And our goal is to ensure that everyone in this country is treated with the same level of care and respect. Medical supplies these days are so expensive, and I believe costs should decrease so facilities are able to afford them. On top of that, medical equipment should be thoroughly inspected and checked before use. It is crazy how a certain medical device can determine life or death for a patient. And of course, units should always be clean and organized to prevent injury in both patient and worker, and a clean unit will also help prevent the spread of diseases, which of course decreases injury. And thank you for hearing my presentation.